Installing the Pfister Ladera widespread faucet. For the installation, you will need the following tools and materials: 2 1/2-inch water supply lines, 2 adjustable wrenches, rags, a bucket. Insert the valves in the 2 outer holes. The valve with the red indicator goes on the left, the one with the blue indicator on the right. Slide the square washer onto the shank. Position the valve arrow to face the front edge of the counter. This ensures the handle will be aligned. Then, thread the mounting ring onto the shank and hand tighten with the provided quick install tool. Place the washers over the valve and then mount the handles on top of them. Make sure you have the handles in their correct off position, straight out from the faucet spout. Before final tightening, check that both handles rotate correctly. Then, secure the handles using the provided hex wrench to tighten the set screws on the back side of the handle hub. Next, slide the single-post putty ring over the spout post and inlet lines. Insert the faucet through the sink opening. From underneath the sink, slide the horseshoe bracket onto the stud. The bumps should be facing up. Next, screw the long mounting nut onto the stud and tighten with the provided quick install tool. Do not over-tighten. Mount the spout connector to the receiving spout tube by pushing up until you hear a click. Connect the hot and cold lines to the corresponding color of the spout connector until you hear a click. Take the supply lines that are attached to the angle stops and feed them into a bucket. Open the hot and cold angle stops and flush the lines for at least 30 seconds. Now take the 2 inlet line tap adapters that came with your faucet and thread them onto your existing water supply lines. Tighten the adapters with 2 adjustable wrenches. Then connect them to the water supply lines until there is a hard stop. Secure the connection by firmly hand-tightening the screw caps onto the tap adapters. Please note, do not use a wrench to tighten the screw caps. Now, disassemble the drain. Insert the drain body into the hole of the sink and align the logo with the sink. Thread the washer onto the drain body with the wider portion facing towards the bottom. Firmly hand-tighten the nut. Connect the trap to the tailpiece. Turn on the water supplies. Check all connections for leaks. Use a coin to remove the aerator. Run the water for at least 15 seconds on both the hot and cold sides to flush debris. Then reinstall the aerator. To download installation guides, visit www.pfisterfaucets.com or simply call us for help with your installation.